Flour fudge, often made from wheat flour atta or gram flour/Besan, with ghee and sugar, has some nutritional and traditional benefits when eaten in moderation. Sheaf of rice benefits of flour fudge. 1. Quick energy. Rich in carbohydrates. Good for fatigue, weakness, and instant energy. 2. Helps weight gain. Useful for people who are underweight. Commonly given during recovery or postpartum period. 3. Improves digestion if homemade. Ghee helps lubricate the intestines. Besan version is easier to digest than refined flour. 4. Strengthens body. Traditional food for strength and stamina. Popular in winters for warmth. 5. Supports bone and muscle health. Contains small amounts of protein, especially Besan. Ghee provides healthy fats for joint support. 6. Good for anemia, Besan version. Gram flour contains iron and folate. Helpful for women if eaten sensibly. Warning things to keep in mind. High in sugar and calories. Not good for diabetes or gestational diabetes without doctor advice. Portion control is very important. White heavy check mark healthier tips. Use jaggery gur instead of white sugar. Add nuts, almonds, walnuts for extra nutrition. Eat small portions, 1-2 pieces only. If you want, I can also explain. Benefits in pregnancy. Difference between atta vs Besan fudge. A healthier recipe. Just tell me smiling face with smiling eyes. Here's a detailed flour fudge, Besan ka halwa/gram flour fudge recipe for you. I'll break it down step by step, including ingredients, preparation and tips for best results. Ingredients. Gram flour Besan 1 cup. Ghee clarified butter 1-2 cup. Sugar 3/4 to 1 cup, adjust to taste. Milk 1 cup, optional, can use water. Cardamom powder 1-2 tsp. Nuts 2-3 tablespoon, cashews, almonds, pistachios chopped. Saffron strands, a few, optional for flavor and color. Step-by-step method. 1. Roast the flour. 1. Heat a thick-bottomed pan or wok on medium heat. 2. Add ghee and let it melt completely. 3. Add gram flour gradually, stirring continuously with a spatula or whisk to prevent lumps. 4. Roast the flour for 8-12 minutes until it turns golden brown and gives a nutty aroma. Tip: keep the heat medium-low to avoid burning. Constant stirring is crucial. 2. Add milk or water. 1. Slowly add milk to the roasted flour, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. 2. Cook for 5-6 minutes until the mixture thickens slightly. 3. Add sugar. 1. Add sugar gradually while stirring. 2. Mix well until the sugar dissolves completely. 3. The mixture will become slightly liquidy again after adding sugar. Continue cooking until it thickens. 4. Flavoring. 1. Add cardamom powder for aroma. 2. Optionally, soak saffron in a tablespoon of warm milk and add it to the fudge for color and flavor. 5. Add nuts. 1. Chop cashews, almonds, pistachios and lightly fry them in a little ghee. 2. Mix nuts into the fudge. 6. Set the fudge. 1. Remove the pan from heat when the mixture leaves the sides of the pan and is thick. 2. You can serve it warm as soft fudge or spread in a greased plate to let it set and cut into pieces. Tips for perfect flour fudge. Use a non-stick pan for easier cooking and cleaning. Stir continuously while roasting to avoid burning. Adjust ghee and sugar according to taste. More ghee gives softer fudge, less sugar gives a milder taste. Add nuts last to retain crunchiness. For a richer flavor, you can replace 1-2 cup milk with condensed milk. This recipe makes about 6-8 servings and is perfect for festivals, snacks, or just a sweet treat at home. If you want, I can also give a microwave version that's super quick and almost as tasty as the traditional one. It takes less than 15 minutes. Do you want me to share that version too?